Hi, I'm Peter. I'm one of the spinal specialists that works at Spine, Body and Health in Bedford. And I wanted to take a few moments to talk about MRI. Now, I see hundreds of patients each week that are suffering with problems that originate in the spine. And a lot of them are either waiting for an MRI or they've had an MRI in the past. And literally they've been failed by the system because the MRI hasn't actually helped them to get any further with the problem that they're suffering with. And the issue with MRIs is they're taken while the person is lying down, and as soon as you lay someone down, you're removing most of the mechanical components that can show you where a problem actually comes from. So MRI actually isn't a very good form of diagnosis for problems with the spine. And there was a paper that came out in 2017, it was published in the Spine Journal, I actually have it here, looking at the reliability of MRI as a diagnostic method. And what they found in this paper was they took the same patient to 10 different MRI clinics, and they found virtually no correlation between the diagnosis between these 10 clinics. So this is what they wrote in the paper. This study found marked variability in the reported interpretive findings and a high prevalence of interpretive errors in radiologists' report of an MRI examining the lumbar spine performed on the same patient at 10 different MRI centers over a short period of time. So in other words, in this paper, they were not able to find a consistent diagnosis between different MRI specialists. And I believe 100% that this is because it's not a functional test of what is going on in the spine whatsoever. So if you have a problem with the spine and it's causing some sort of pain in your body, whether it's back pain, neck pain, or headaches, or whatever it is, then it needs to be properly diagnosed. And unfortunately, while MRI can be very, very useful in certain clinical situations to diagnose certain problems, it is very poor at diagnosing musculoskeletal problems. So you're probably wasting your time, and if you're doing it privately, you're wasting your money as well. It's much better to visit a specialist center that knows how to find these problems, and that's what we do.